Hi, welcome to Shivakirti Creations. Today I am going to explain how to remove the duplicates using aggregated transformation in Informatica. In last session I have explained how to remove the duplicates using sorter transformation in Informatica. So that link I have given in the below description. In this both ways we can delete the duplicates if the source will be a file or a database table, whatever it is. Like in SQL, in Informatica also we will have a group by clause in aggregated transformation. So by using this group by option we are going to remove the duplicates now. In my database I have a table with the name contractors, so I'm going to take this contractors table as my source table. In this contractors table I have two columns, one is id and another one is name. So here we have four records. The first record will be the one Chaitanya and the second record will be the again one Chaitanya. So this second record will be the duplicate record for the first one. So I'm going to remove these duplicates by using aggregated transformation. In my database I have another table with the same structure as source, that is contractors target. This table I am going to take as my target table. So in this contractors target table we don't have any data, so we are going to load the source data without having duplicates into this target table. So now I am going to create a mapping in the Informatica Power Center. On top you can see the mappings tab. Go to the mappings tab and click on it. You will see the create option. Just click on create option. It will show the one pop-up window like this. So here you have to give the mapping name. So I am giving the mapping name as m underscore duplicate underscore removal underscore aggregator. Now mapping got created. In last session I have imported already the contractors table structure and contractors target table structure into my Informatica sources and targets. So now just I am dragging those source structures and target structure into my mapping. Now I am going to create an aggregated transformation. On top you can see the shortcuts for all the transformations. So here you can see sigma mark. This will be the aggregated transformation. Just click on it and drag like this in the mapping designer. Now I am going to drag the ports from source qualifier to aggregated transformation. And now giving the name for this aggregated transformation as agg underscore duplicate underscore removal. Next go to the properties tab. There you can see the group by clause. I'm going to check all the columns under group by clause because I'm going to remove the duplicates based on a complete row, not based on a particular column or a particular key. Next I'm connecting the ports from aggregated transformation to the target. Just save the mapping. In down it gave the message like mapping is valid. So it is a valid mapping. And now next go to the Informatica Power Center Workflow Manager. Here I am going to create the workflow for this mapping. Just go to the workflow designer. On top you can see workflows option. Click on it. You will see create option. So click on create, then it will open one pop-up like this. So here give the workflow name. I am giving the workflow name as wf underscore duplicate underscore remove underscore aggregator. So after that click on OK button, then it will create the workflow. Now I am going to create a session for this mapping. So on top you can see tasks. Go to tasks option and click on it, then create. So it will open this pop-up. So here give the session name. I am giving the session name as s underscore duplicate underscore removal underscore aggregator. After giving the name, just click on create button. It will ask for the mapping. So you have to give the mapping name. So it will relate this mapping with this session. So just click on OK and then it will create a session. Now just link this session from start. Just double click on session. So it will open one window like this. Go to the mappings tab and you can see sources and targets. Just change the DB connections of source table and as well as target table. Then click on OK and save it. Now give the right click and start the session. Now go to the workflow monitor. So here it is running. Workflow got succeeded. Just go to the source and target statistics. Here you can see 4 records are coming from source qualifier and only 3 records are inserted. Why? Because it removed the duplicate record. Now just go to the database and check the source table data. Contractors is our source table. So in this contractors table we have 4 records. The second record is duplicated record, as I said previously. Now just check the target table data. So here we have only 3 records. The second record, which is in the source table, has removed because that is duplicated record. So we have successfully removed the duplicates using aggregated transformation. Guys, I hope you understood how to remove the duplicates using aggregated transformation in Informatica. If you have any doubts, please write in comment box. Thanks for watching this video.